the vaccine supply that we have here for COVID-19, we're shipping out of the country now because we don't want it to go to waste. Because we have so many more people who are like, I don't want to get that. The vaccination rates for kids under 5, it's miserable, right? And what's going to happen is that it's going to take, unfortunately, a significant number of kids to pass away for that number to kind of rise. So right now, people are just like, you know what? I'm okay with that. I'll take my chances. But mind you, those same people are probably running to get a monkeypox vaccine because, again, this disfiguring lesion and everything else, right? Again, I'm not here to judge. Well, I'm here to judge a little bit. I'm here to judge just a little bit. But like that's what we're gonna have to kind of come to grips with. That COVID-19 is here. It's here to stay. It's gonna be here till I die. It's gonna be here till I get old, till my kids get old. It's not going anywhere.